Hello, welcome back to another little back testing session with NQ and ES. I realised in the last video my mic was at like literally no volume, so you couldn't really hear me. So a bit of a pointless upload, but we are gonna fix that. Hopefully you can hear me now. Not anymore. I've got like 10 views. It's pretty sick for a first little outing. But we are gonna go again with March 2023. We might do 2 weeks. This little video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get a bit of narrative on the daily time frame. We are trending down still, so it looks like a high time frame downtrend. Same with ES. We're a bit higher up on NQ than we are ES. No great targets. It's daily low over here, which we've already taken. Oh no, my god, we're way lower on ES. On NQ, sorry. So I'll mark out this daily low, because that's the nearest daily low to where we are right now. And then we've got stacked daily highs over here. So I'll mark them all out. So this is low resistance liquidity because they're highs very close to each other on the higher time frame. So it's low resistance, high time frame liquidity here. I'm also going to mark this out. Don't need to mark it on ES really because I'm only trading on NQ and I can take into account. I'm just going to mark this data high. So bearish targets on ES, this daily low down here. Same as NQ on this side. And then we'll notice the 4 hour, so moving down time frames. On the 4 hour, we still look bearish. We're about to inverse this gap here. And on ES, we are doing the same, looking like we're going down to this 4 hour low down here, which should also be, yeah, time frame low. So this is a London low. So my bias on today is more bearish than it is bullish. London to blue means Asia low actually. Mark Asia low down there. An hourly gap here. So we could have a little bounce upwards, then go downwards, or we could take this and go up. So we've got a 30-minute gap here. Mark that out. Always mark out your higher time frame gaps. Got two 30 minutes here on ES, so we could bounce off either one to then come down. Lower time frame, we're currently in this 15-minute gap. I'd want to see ideally retrace a bit into this range a bit more, so in this 30-minute gap before moving down. But nothing really important to mark out on the 15 because we've always already come into this gap. Okay, so let's get into the session. That's fine. Okay, moving down, come upwards. Is there a 30-second in there? No 30-second inverse. So I'm going to continue. Taken out this low on NQ, but we haven't taken it out on ES, so that could be an SMT. Okay, so we have created an equal low here on ES. See these two lows. Have we taken out any liquidity? We've come to this 15-minute first percentage here on NQ, which we were already in, but hasn't re-swept it on ES. So I wouldn't really want to take a long here. Do we have a 5 minute? We nearly have a 5 minute. Wait, one more minute. And we do have a small 5 minute here. Not really looking at this trade because yes, it's already up. And there's also a 5 minute, so that's the highest time frame gap to inverse on the way up. And that takes another 5 minutes. Just a bit long. 3, 4, 5. Okay, with respect to this 5 minute here, have a bearish S&T from this high to this high. Or better representation of that is this high to this high. Well, we've gone up and taken this high on ES, if you see. Will I take a five? I might take a 5 minute continuation here if we get good displacement very quickly down, inversing this 1 minute gap here. But again, this is what I said last video. I think this 5 minute is unsponsored because we haven't hit a high time frame key level. Or have we? No, we have. We got hit 15 minute up here, so this technically is a sponsored gap. On this quick distribution here downwards, but we haven't got it. S&T is not really valid anymore. Okay, it's coming up. We'll inverse that 5 minute. Okay. Have we hit that? Yeah, we have hit that first percent at 30 minutes. So I'm going to get rid of this earlier one because it's better represented by this. Literally just tapped into that. What is the time here? 45. Do we have any targets? No. So don't have any liquidity towards the target here. It's now been inversed. If we had like a 5 minute down here, I might short this, but there's no targets for me to short here. And we also have news, which is another reason why I want to take the trade. And we're just shooting downwards. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't take that 5 minute inverse. It's fairly choppy. $15 we have a 15 minute in 10 minutes. We have two large 5 minutes. And we're still heading towards this previous day low down here, so that will be my target if we take a 5 minute continuation. What do we have here? Yeah, still the same target, previous day low. Let's see if we get a retrace here. Okay, we've come up into the 5 minute. There might be a 30-second in there, but I wouldn't take it. Kind of an SMT because we created equal highs here, but didn't over here. I'm going to 30-second time frame here actually. Now I have two SMTs. Will I take this? Do we have a PO3? No. A few minutes before 9:30. 15-minute time frame. We're about to have a 15 minute. I'm not taking a short yet because we can easily manipulate up at 5:30. I'm going to mark this 15 minute out. Hopefully it stays. Okay. So that's why I didn't take it, because I thought it would come up into the 15 minute. Which we did. Went right into it. Not loving the bullish vibe here actually. It's quite deep into the 15-minute. Yeah, I think we're going to go up from here. And that's 5-minute first percentage. Do you have an S&T here? Now, I think this would be an okay short. Narrative-wise, I think we're definitely going to come back into this 5-minute. We have inversed this 1 minute. Have we inversed? What's the highest time frame? 5-minute. We have inversed that 5-minute. So, but if I took a short here, my stop loss will come. I wouldn't know where to leave it. Got kind of relatively equal highs over here. We do have an S&T at the top, which is why I think we're going to come down. So we didn't take out this high on NQ, but we did on ES. And we both have the same target, so this 5-minute. I'm not going to take this short, but I'm going to take breed it, see what happens. I don't like it because it took so long to inverse this. So if I took a short here, I'll be on NQ, but I'm not going to take this. This is one I would fade. So I wouldn't really know to be my stop loss, maybe halfway off this wick. Aim for a 1-to-1. Go break. This is a highly chance of a break-even trade, but I wouldn't take it because we've got this order walk here. We could bounce off it as well. And we would have broke even. Would have broken even here. But it does hit my TP. Not to worry. Let's see where we go from here. So here we've now inversed this 5-minute. I don't personally like taking 5 minutes. To be honest, I'd rather create a 5-minute inverses. I'd rather us create a 5-minute gap here, then bounce off that. So let's see what happens in the next 5 minutes. Or we'll just go straight down. Okay, I'm going to the next session. Withdrawings. Okay, what have we done? Overnight, yep. Just dumped as I thought. To this daily low, which I did mark out. Our next target, bearish wise, would probably be we've got a first presented 4-hour here. Mark out. We haven't actually come up into this 4-hour. See if ES has. Is there an S&T there? There is. Okay. All right. So bias is still bearish. Come up, already manipulated London highs up here. S&T with the S at this high, so I'm expecting this to be high resistance. I'm not really looking to trade towards that unless it shows me. 15-minute here. Okay. What's going to mark out? Oh, this tiny 15 up here. Which we've always also come in to say ES is way more bearish. So we've got London lows here, which I want to mark out as well. No, ES is bearish. Oh my god, I keep getting bullish and bearish mixed up. Market open, creates a big wick, and we are shopping, which is an okay sign of market open. Okay, we've manipulated higher at 9.45, but we haven't manipulated high here, so we might have a bearish S&T. Or we do have a bearish S&T. I absolutely obliterated that 15-minute. Still inside the 30-minute. The owl is nothing, so let's see what we get here. No, literally nothing. Okay, now we come up, hit this earlier, previous 15-minute, which I'll put that because it's the high. This candle. Okay, so lots of wicks here, which is a good sign for shorts. Only issue with this trade is not lots of places to target. Well, actually, no, we do have a nice 15 minutes. So we reacted off this 15-minute gap here on the 15-minute time frame. There's one below, but I wouldn't take this trade because we're so close to 10 a.m., which is a key manipulation zone. So ideally, what would happen here is that we would come up again and then inverse. But let's see. Or just in an uptrend. It could just be in an uptrend. Ideally, I'm still looking for shorts coming to the high time frame, 2 hourly gaps. Got 2 minute here. Haven't versed that now. On NQ, so it's at the highest time frame. No, oh no, it is. It's got this 3-minute inverse targeting a 15-minute gap down here. Will I take this? Maybe. We do have a really nice PO3 here. But ES is so far up, which I don't like. Both have taken this high from earlier, but we're soon to get a 15-minute gap. We've also got 1 minute down here, which we could react off. That's like fair, like this is the 15-minute gap down here, right? Switch that to here. But on the 1 minute, does it look like a 15-minute gap? No. So is there too many orders to fill there? I don't know. I'm not going to take that 3-minute short. This is dookie price action. Now we've got this 15 minutes really close, which I'd more expect us to take. 10-15 we've manipulated up. Do have a nice PO3. I would love us to take that high, or one of us to take that high, but we didn't. There's no SMT. Will I take this? No. But I'm just going to play it out. This is like a B plus trade maybe. We've got PO3, good targets, no liquidity sweep. We did have a liquidity sweep here because we came into the 1 hourly or 1 hour gap. But ideally I would like a stop punt, which is taking this high inside the gap and then coming lower, or at least getting ES doing that, and it'll be an S&T, but we haven't. If I tip this, I'll go break even at this low here, but let's see what happens. Complete runs. Maybe I should start taking those. The only reason I don't like it is because we didn't come up and re-manipulate that high. I don't know. I had literally everything else but a stop punt. We also inverse this 1 minute, which is kind of weird. But I didn't take that. Are we going to get anything else? Unlikely, right? Go with 15-minute. Are we going to invest? Oh, this is an alright trade, I think. Oh, yes, it's really strong as well. S&T at this low. This is looking better for a long. Targets. Do have this 1 hour intermediate high up here, but I might take this low hanging fruit just above it. See, I'm feeling iffy on this trade because I know I'll probably want to break even at this high. But yeah, yes, it's inverted. We've got an S&T. No PO3. Highest time frame is, that is the highest time frame inverse. We're bearish on the higher time frames too, aren't we? Kind of. It's kind of consolidation, manipulation. I'm expecting distribution. But the S&T is really nice here. Distribution's there. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this, and then break even early. Where did I lose my stop here? Oh, it's a fat stop as well. Let's target a 1-to-1 here. Oh. Don't know what that was. Yeah, bad trade. Ooh, hello. So break even would have been this high. Didn't take it at first. I thought, well, we're fucked. But then this little 1 minute saved us, which is always a good sign. Do we ever run the highs now? Yeah, we do. Okay. 1 win to start us off. Nice. This 1 minute. It's really nice. So conviction there was S&T at this low. Really good S&T. Holding up in the 15-minute. Mediocre kind of targets. I can't lie. But on ES, this is also a manipulation high. And then also good distribution. Both pairs inversing the highest time frame gap. It's always a good sign. I'm fairly happy with the trade. I would say it's probably an A- trade because targets were miffy, no PO3. But 15-minute to unfilled, not unfilled, but hourly fucking, what's it called, man? Intermediate high, yes. So I wouldn't expect us to come up any higher than that, to be honest. And yeah, it's a bit choppy for the rest of the session. So glad we got that little piece of the pie. So go to the next session. Drawings. Okay, what have we done overnight? We have shot up. Okay. I'm leaning towards bullish here. Oh my god, yeah, definitely bullish. We've inversed this 4 hour, this 4 hourly, this 4 hourly. Definitely bullish. So let's mark out our bullish targets that we want to trade towards. Is that the daily wrap up above? Yeah, daily intermediate high. As I said earlier, that low resistance, high time frame draws. I'm expecting a big bullish day. Yes, also absolutely running. Would have taken this high on yes, but still mark out this one, which is this high. Okay. I'm just going to play out here. It'll be quite obvious. if we do have a trade. Okay. We'll take this. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So we've come into this 15-minute rejection wick. Probably coming higher, but look how long it took to inverse. It's still 1 minute, and there's a rejection wick just before it inverses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. To inverse this, and we've already taken out that high without inversing it, which is crazy. We just open the high. And we've got a 5 minute above. But I'm still bullish. So we've come to the first percent of 15-minute down here. We didn't come into the first, so it's kind of an S&T. So I wouldn't look too long this. Runs the high anyway. Sweet. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yes, still targets. What was that? News candle. Okay, set that high. 15-minute gap. No. We have 5 minutes which are all valid. Let's mark them out. I'd rather just come into this one, 50% of the range. Which is also this one. And now we've also got data high to target, which is neat. Gosh. Okay, so we've come down, swept into this 5 minute, first percentage, come into the 50% of the range. No, I definitely wouldn't take this. It's 5 minute above now. Or we do an S&T. I just don't like how long it took. How many minutes was that? 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. No, I'm not going 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Every trade I don't fucking take bangs. At least I'm marking out the right trades. Yeah, massive rejection work on the 15-minute. I'm still wanting to trade up. Oh. You know what? Could this be the first time I ever take a 5 minute back testing? This is really nice. Just trying to find a kind of liquidity force get break even at. I think I'm happy with this 5 minute inverse up to 5 minute. Targeting daily highs. S&T of the S. Yeah, we also have PO3 on the hourly or the 4 hourly. We've come down. Look at the 4 hour candle right now. Massive width the downside. I'm expecting this to come up. But 5 minutes, I don't like taking them. I think they're cursed. Let's see. So can't all the way break even here. But also kind of don't. 5 minutes. What have we got here? I'm not going to go break even here. I'm going to go break even here. Come up, taking this high, I think was a Asia high. 3 minute place above. This could be a short play, but I'm gonna keep it going. I'll go. Oh, maybe I should have gone break even when it stays this high, which is the daily high. Yeah. Well, I'm in the trade now. What? I mean, the simulation is finished. Huh? How do I can change this? Nope. The range plus 1 week, save changes. Oh my days. Can I carry on with my session, dog? But it's looking like we're going to break in here, I can't lie. But I would be fine with break even. We're taking the daily high. Oh no, yeah, still haven't taken it. Watch us bounce out this 5 minute. I reckon we'll come into here and go up. But you never know. Come to the end of the session as well. I might cut my stop and profit if we. Yeah, break even. What happened the rest of the session? Fucking hell. Absolute poo price action. Well, good thing I went break even. Hey, 1 win, 1 break even thus far. See, 5 minutes just don't hit, dude. Anyhow. We're still, oh, we are in an up trend. Same kind of scenario as yesterday, actually. Last time frame gap is this 30 minute gap. I want to sweep into here, and then we just hit a daily high. We've got daily FVG right above. We're 100% coming into that. Or not. What do I know? Audio, yes. We're in 50% of this big ass range here, so I'm more neutral than I was yesterday, even though we're swinging up. Look at all this. We haven't really retraced once into a higher time frame daily gap or a 4 hour gap. So I'm a bit neutral here. Let's see what concurs. Oh, the S&T. Now already in this 30 minute gap. Yes. I don't really like this 30-second. We're only taking out this high, which is literally irrelevant. That data? No. Boom. That's why we don't do it. S&T at the lows as well. Oh, look at that low resistance quality. It's beautiful. What is that wick? Oh. Yeah, it's just not looking like a quality pairs. I don't care. It comes down. How do we not take that out? How do we not take that out? Dukias. There we go. Reverse quickie. SMT. I'm just not liking this price action, I can't lie. Don't really like fast moves to the downside than slow inverses, or rather slow moves to the downside than fast inverses to the upside if we're targeting bullish. Do you have an SMT? Jesus Christ, we have fat PO3 here. Rejection work on the 15. I don't like this. I don't like these types of trades. Highest time frame inverse hasn't even happened. Or has it? Yes, it has just happened, right? Yeah. Skip forward. But yeah, I was just saying I don't think I'd take this anyway because just look how quickly it came to the downside. We've only just tapped into the 30-minute with loads of draws below. Still, we haven't come to the 50% range. This could just be a resweep. Come down lower. And I'm neutral bias as well, so just not going to say that. So I think that'll be alright now, me taking this long, but it's just very annoying. Yeah. If that retraces a 5-minute perfect equilibrium, I'll take that. 1-minute inverse here, but didn't want to. You know what? I'm calling out everything today. And we've come up, taken this high. So only thing really left would be a retrace into this 15. But we're not going to get that. So, oh, it's just a bit dead, isn't it? Daily high here on the S. Definitely going to take that. We're just looking bullish. Yeah. Oh, I kind of want to take this. Okay, so both pairs have come up. Well, this, yes, thank you, has come up right into this daily gap here. How we hit 50% of the range? Great question. Yep, we are. That's it. We have an SMT here. Or not even. Way back there. And a 1-minute inverse. Okay targets. PO3 as well. 50% level of the 50% of the daily gap as well. ES is taking this high. SMT. I do like this, so I'll give it a go. Okay. Oh, I just don't like it when it's like. To guess we can go. Oh, we might go break even here. We might not. I can see this just absolutely running for us. I don't know why. I always get a feeling when I lose trades. Don't want to lose them beforehand. Why do we're going against? Okay, you know what, I'm not taking this. We're going against the trend. We haven't taken out significant liquidity here. Like right. Yeah, it's set for the 50% range. I'm not going to take this. targeting the 5-minute gap against the trend. So it's like a bare minimum target. We haven't actually, all we have in S&T and P3 here really with a shit target. And like it's 1.68 RR when it's like that. I'm like, there's no way that's gonna hit. Break even. Yeah, it's stopped out. Good fade. Good fade. Well, I think we would on break even there anyway, with this wick especially. We might have gone out there for a small loss if you actually took that. Yeah, no real they're all sweet there on NQ. Did have an ES, S&T, all those 3-letter phrases we had, but just didn't have my conviction. And we're shooting up. Yeah, end of the session basically. No trades. Avoiding losses. I'm getting better at that. Come on. CS didn't like it. I didn't like it. That was no sweep. Just listen to myself sometimes. Okay. And we did what I said before. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Shorty short. Daily up here now. We do. Oh, rejection wick on the daily. Lovely. Didn't even close above this daily gap. So we defo coming back into this daily gap here. So that is a really good DOL. Back to that low. Yeah, inversing this hourly as well. Loads of low resistance, high time frame draws. All we need is an entry now. These have come up in this 15-minute and dump. I beg of thee. Dow is going to come into this first percent of 15. I'm not sure. Free us on that. Yeah, we got some good RR. Okay. Let's get into the session. Do we hold up first 15? We kind of do. Let's throw a second in there. Let's see what happens in the next few minutes. Yes, it's on fuck all. Oh my god. Yeah, respecting this first pen to 15 at the moment. Target's a meh. Get rid of this big 15. It's a 5-minute target here, potentially. See what that looks like. Yeah, no real sell side liquidity there. I'm not going to take this PO3. Well, 945 PO3, look. Come up, inverse is 30-second. Some people might take that. I ain't. Boom, that's why. Remanipulated that. Don't mind that. 1-minute inverse. We do get it. We do get it. Don't like how we're just sitting in this 15-minute. I'd rather wait, decide my bias kind of. Check out London. And is that daily low? No. Oh, look at the. Oh, let's look at the daily chart. How the freak have we not come into there? High side draws off. Yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna take this because I'm kind of looking for longs-ish now. Oh, absolutely, yes, look how low it is. Draws a mare. I'm not taking that. It's also choppy. As fuck. Hey, not sure what played out. Maybe I need to just do better. Ah, but look at these shopping conditions. I wouldn't mind paying that. And oh my fucking god, is that news? Yeah. Jeez Louise. Holy. News is definitely bearish, isn't it? Oh, see, I just don't like this really. That's hit 50% of this range. Well, not really, actually. I said this low is kind of more aligned to the 50% of the range. Is it? Oh, I have to get my disgusting gun box out again. So 50% of the range is where we've already come. So 5 minute above. So what happens in here? Still might be able to target something. So actually, I definitely wouldn't have taken this trade above. It's 10 minutes before news. Let's go high time frame news as well. Oh, why have you done this to me? I think this will hit, but I don't want to take it. Don't want to take it, no. I haven't retraced into any high time frame gaps, not even a 5 minute. And that's also such just like a passing trade. Let's go. That's why we don't take it. One thing I've noticed is I'm getting way better at fading shitty trades. It's just time in the market and sticking to your actual rules. Tiny 5 minute below. Yeah, when it comes down like this and it fucking bombs up, there are not a lot of trades I'd want to take in there. So the 50 minute, oh my god. I'd rather take a long than a short. Shit targets. 5 minute is valid because we came out daily gap, our time frame gap. Let's see. That's here 9:45 here as well. Now, this ain't awful. This ain't awful at all. Oh, but we don't have a 5 minute. I've got a 4 minute here. I'm bouncing off. 9:45 period 3. Oh, do I take this? Look, 15 minute candle. Come up, rejection. Back down. Oh yeah, we're really rejecting out of this zone here. I do want to take this. It's out of a 4-minute gap. Inverse to 5-minute, technically. Oh, which makes me think I want to fucking play out now. Because I suck at inversing 5 minutes. Do you have an S? No, S&T. So there's these little gaps down here. Would I go break even at the internal low here? I don't think I would. Only negative here is, well, it's 3 kind of minute negatives. No 5-minute gap. It's a 4-minute gap as a liquidity pool to reverse on. Target's a tiny 5-minute here, but it does have liquidity, and it's no S&T, but that's kind of a cherry on top. Let's take this. Oh, all the fucking took it, you penis brain. Although it might be out there. Going down, basically taking an equal low, rejection work. Yeah, I'll take the minus 22, mate. I'll take the minus 22. Watch me regret this. Bruh. Taking the minus $22. Well, I would have gone break even that 5-minute anyway. Oh, God, I can't believe that. Oh, I just don't like. When I think it's like not an A+ trade, I get scared more easily and I go break even more quickly. But 100% would have gone break even at this 5-minute. 100%. No question about it. So that would have been break even trade anyway. But we got out with minus $22. So 10 that's break even for me. Might be small loss, break even for me. I got the big bucks, man. I think this is gonna be the last day of me trading in this video. How long is it? Fucking hell, 52 minutes. Well, hopefully I'm going out some source. It's also kind of for me, so I can look back on, see what I can improve on. But last day here, can we end on a banger? Oh yeah, I came 50% this range, as I said earlier. That's why I was hesitant for longs, even though we're an uptrend. Now with 50% of this major gap, respecting what looks like to be the 50%. And we're in a high time frame uptrend, but also in a higher time frame downtrend. So again, I'm kind of neutral. Draws are definitely, that's a good draw. Asia low, which we've already taken out here, and we've taken previous day low up, but doesn't really scare me too much. I'm taking shorts. Let's see if this 15-minute holds. Holy moly, it does hold. 930 PO3. Oh god, I hate taking. Ugh. Oh, it's just gonna be a fat stop loss, isn't it? Targets are kind of meh. So it's come up respect to this inversus gap. 930 PO3. High time resting 2 I don't really care about. Do care as ES has taken out most of buy side. Has it gone into anything? Yeah, it's gone into this. So it's saying like that intermediate high. Oops. Would you all take this? Would you all take it? Because I think it's right. I want to take this more because I want to end on a fucking more end. Let's see what they are or B. Probably put my stops up here. Massive rejection, so we've got a stop on as well. 1 to 1 would be here. I think I'll go break even at this low. But yeah, I don't like 930s. But yes, is also. I might go break even when ES stays this low actually. Let's see. I'm gonna take this. Oh, see what I mean? See what I mean? Now we have an S&T here. ES is taking this low. I would take the trade here. I will not take the trade here. You know, we've got a doji candle where it's gone up and down, doesn't know where it's going. I'm gonna go ahead and fade this. I'll do my fade justice, please. Cute. That's a news candle, too fair. I would have closed position early here. Just before very volatile news, it seems. Oh, look at that chop as well before the news. That's disgusting. Even though I was kind of right here, still wouldn't have taken it. Well, still would have gone break even at some point. 100%. I would not have made any money from that. But now, swept Asia low. News candle. What are we doing here? Going up? Oh, yeah. Take this. Absolutely not. Done S&T with the S at this high. God, my chart's so messy. It's one of the things I noticed about the video before. It was just absolute mayhem. So creating it S&T with this high. And we get 3-minute in this. Shit targets. 3. I'm half inclined to take this. Dead lows all in swept. Ah, let's look at the structure. Shit. Knee structure. Yeah, I'd say definitely trending up. I have a little 5-minute. Is it valid? Not really. Mark out anyway. Whipped into it. Now we're taking out both those highs. Look at the rejection works on the 15. I'm still kind of bullish. Consolidation. Do we get any manipulation? Up in versus 15. We'll see in 5 minutes. 3, 4, 5. Still respecting this 15. Holy shit. Just in versus 5 minute. Still wouldn't take that. Whole lot of nothing. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. One win, one or two break evens, minor loss. I'm gonna stay still 100% win rate. Haven't back tested at all since the last video, so we're maintaining that 100% win rate. I'm not taking that minus $20 or $30 as a loss. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have watched, there's big 10 views last video, but this again, it's more for me to see where I was at, see my progress. Market's opening in 50 minutes, so I'm gonna hop off. See ya.